उधर काटो आएगा पीछे से the team of Raghurama. He is not a strong team, huh?
Gate correction. There are 3 vibratory points along the medial arch and the transverse arch. So basically at any point if the foot is not in proper position, the shoe will vibrate. So it gives a biofeedback that the foot is not in proper position. The minute you keep it in proper position, the vibration stops. So the patient gets to know that okay, now the position is correct. And you can move on. And if the foot is up, it will vibrate again.
So you have designed a shoe.
Yes, sir.
Keep foot in
Proper position.
plantigrade.
Yes.
Do we have a patent for it?
So we are planning on getting it. It's a DI power. We are on DI power. Navi Mumbai. It was patented and then it's yes, sir.
This is Kamala. We brought this on the topic of welfare for the therapist, not for the patient. So we are more prone to have thumb issues like musculoskeletal pain and ulnar collateral ligament tear.
Okay.
And the therapist is hyperextending the thumb in therapeutic setups like pediatrics, having a GDD care and all. So we brought this device. It will have sensors and a threshold. So whenever I hyperextend my thumb, it will give me a beat sound that I'm hyperextending it, and I should take a rest or a therapeutic technique to relax myself.
So it is a
that the
protection
risk-
for therapists.
Exactly. We brought it in a prevention.
So this is called seat variation adjustment tool.
Ah,
So in
okay.
this,
For wheelchair.
Yeah, not just for wheelchair, it can be used for anything like chair, wheelchair, sofa, anything. So this is for seat width, seat depth, and if you lift it up, it's back side,
Back
so
side.
down, it will be high, and then if you just use one part, it will be arm side. So basically, this is like a clinical tool, and it's like very portable. You don't need any kind of sensitivity, battery, electricity, nothing. It can be used in. This is a prototype. This is
Very fresh. It won't stay there. No?
it will say that.
If we lock it tightly, it will stay there. It won't move.
It's like tailor who is doing. You understand me? So if you miss this, because you got a back so much,
The foot is not in the proper
back then you will not
No,
use
sir,
it.
we will lock it
Lock
here.
it.
We can lock it. It's for the measurement.
Yeah, but no, why I'm saying, why you didn't design self-lock with a spring? Like a ratchet you have, no?
This is a prototype. We're just building it.
No, this will take time. A lot of human error will come.
The locks is telescopic design.
Human error will be lots. That's right.
So I'm planning to adapt. Custom made adapted devices for each individual patient. Not running scalable devices. Custom made for the CTV specials, adapted yes, adaptive adaptive for example, sir, patient is having difficulty to grip. This device I have designed on the board so that I can, for example, he has difficulty to flex the board. This device is custom for the patient. Yes. You already have it, you are upgrading. Yes, sir.
Developed a perceptual assessment battery for the patient's neurological response and developed like some kind of process so I can present the numbers to assess the information so this entire like each and every test is having individual
This is a cross-track code. So which we are giving for the motor impairment like small patients see pictures they want to feel so that vision will be affected for them. So this is a feature we are just giving this cross-track. So if they are painting within this boundary, that will be what is the cross-track and then that will they will start to paint. And if they are moving out of the boundary, right? That will get allowed. The feedback will be. And even though we will be introducing the missing count, how many times they are like moving around from the like see if they are like
That will help in developing arm control.
yeah, it's a kind of feedback for them.
You will try the arm.
Yes.
So some poster actually is the visual presentation. So we have developed a mobile-based application for fraud prevention in older adults. So older adults we have difficulty accessing, but nowadays older adults use a lot of mobile. So this was a funded grant from ICMR, and we managed to develop a indigenous for mobile applications, but there is no such thing in the market. The available ones are for Western, and our Indians don't understand it. So we have actually developed the videos in Indian context, in Indian homes, in Indian situations where elderly fall. So I have been doing this research for almost 25 years, and we have developed this app on these key concepts. So one is they have immediate access because they don't understand the language and it's not relevant to them. So these are made in English and Kannada and in the Indian context. So calling how Indians fall, a situation where Indians will fall, so they understand, and it is made in audio visual with very less text, so they can see and hear. They don't have to read. Similarly, it is relevant to the Indian context, like I mentioned, so they understand. It is personalized. So So the app is not just an education app. The therapist can tailor it. The exercises are tailored based on their causes. Also the external video of the session. Somebody requires a grab rate based on his condition, so we advise it. Somebody requires visual care, so we require it. So it's tailored. It's senior friendly, very easy to use. And we also have goal that to achieve a goal in 1 month. Follow the reinforcement feedback.
Sections. Section has a video. As they have the personalized recommendations which come to because tailored
It's for all senior citizens. What about dementia?
Dementia will be a special situation because I actually have another project.